Hello everyone, Mark here. I hope you're all keeping well, and in today's video I'm just going to be taking the little Eachine P51 Mustang up for a flight. Now once again I've chosen a day where it's a little bit too windy, but I'm here now anyway, so I'm going to have a fly and see how well it goes. So I'm going to switch to the GoPro and let's have a little flight. This thing is just absolutely awesome. Flies just superly well, even in wind it just flies really well. Okay then, so that wind is really picking up now, so I'm going to bring it in for a landing and call it a day, I think. Do a quick loop and a roll. Nice. Okay, let's bring it in for a landing. That wind is beating it, but it's coping okay. And there we go, nice soft landing. And I love how the propeller detaches. So that's it for me guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy RCing, take care, bye bye.